The nuts on tour, rolling in their motorhome, moving town to town, never feel alone.
Hello and welcome to this edition of Nuts on Tour. Today, unfortunately, you've only got me. Sue's had to go out, but I needed to get this one done, so just me. We had a problem a few weeks back where Jenny went in for some work doing, and when she came out, we didn't check the wheel nuts to make sure they were all tight. It had just been to the garage. So we started to go off on one of our trips, and of course we thought, oh, flat tyre, but the tyre pressure monitoring system didn't tell us a flat tyre. Pulled up, had a look round, and found out that front passenger side wheel hadn't been tightened on. It wasn't just loose, it was, the nuts weren't even finger tight, it's very loose. So you see the lorries, and they all have there you are, the little things put on the nuts. Well, using my 3D printer, I found a print for one. So I've been playing around. I've tried different sizes. Yeah, the first one I did tried different lengths as well for how far they go in, because our nuts go back quite a way and they're recessed. Yeah, so found one. The one that I found did a 19mm nut. So for those of you that understand, it was a parametric one, so I just upscaled it. For those of you that don't understand, parametric ones, as you increase it, if you say print 110%, everything, the hole sizes, the hole, the depth, everything will be 10% bigger. So yeah, those actually fit our 22mm nuts on the bus. So I'll take you out and show you what they look like fitted. Here we are at the coach, and as you can see, there's 5 of them fitted. I've put them all pointing inwards, so if they move, you'll be able to see, because they'll turn round. The inside is grooved slightly. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but the inside is grooved slightly, so it goes onto the nuts. So once they're on, they don't move. But yeah, front wheels, and there they are, 2 sets of back wheels, all done. And I've got 5 spares, a little handful of spares, so if any do come off or get damaged, we can replace them. There you go. One of the other things I did on a 3D print, the bus has these little black plastic guards, rain guards. The windows have vents in them. So these, I don't know if it fell off, prized off or whatever. So I did a trial one just to try it in purple, because that was the colour I had on at the day. And then since then, I made some black ones. So I've got that one still to change out, and another one to make once I finish these, another one to make and fit in there. So there's lots of little things you can do, lots of little covers and yeah, bits and pieces. So this is my snack maker, and what I'm making at the moment are these wheel nut covers. I've got the fan running at the moment, that's in the enclosure, and under there it's printing away nicely. So it took me a couple of goes. I downloaded this one, printed one out at 100%, which fitted a 19mm, so then I had to go to 114%, I think it was, to actually make it fit the 22mm nuts that I've got. So at the moment that's only just started, that one, that's at 1%. and I'm doing them all in the same colour blue. There you go, a variety of them. Shut that and then it takes all the smell and that away. But yeah, that's the snap maker. That's doing a nice little job. That's it, we're all fitted, they're all on. Now I can come out, if the bus comes back, just literally look, all done. If any of them move round, you can see it straight away. So we're monitoring the pressure on the tyres, the temperature on the tyres. They've got alarms set up on the TPMS for high and low temperature, high and low pressure. And now we'll be able to see if the nuts are loose or tight. So win, win, win. There's 5 indicators or 5 caps per wheel, 6 wheels, 30. So I have printed a couple of extras. So if I curve it or one gets damaged or one flies off, or they shouldn't, because they were quite difficult to, you get the sizing right, they're quite difficult to get on and off. They don't exactly fall off. We're going out this weekend, so all being well, we'll have a run, and she'll get up to 50 mile an hour, and none have come off yet. We shall see. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it informative. If anybody wants to know what the AutoCAD file is, or the MS file for it is, let me know in the comments and I'll ping it across to you. If you haven't subscribed, why not? It's free. It helps the channel grow. Thank you for the people that have just subscribed this week. We are now dogless, I'm afraid. Don't know how long that'll last, but we'll see. We'll see what happens in the future. Another reason for you to keep subscribed, keep you abreast of what's happening. But until the next one, that's it from me. Bye.
Meeting friends, old and new. Ooh, sharing stories, it's what we do. Laughter filling the air, true. With the open sky so blue.